abemora my network credit just finish just now. Go subscribe am. God bless all of you now. The thing wey me at the talk, I want us to be sincere in anything we are doing. When you are doing something good, let everybody know you are doing good. When you are doing something bad, let everybody know you are doing bad. If you watch the scenario about this thing wey happen, we sef are not happy. Like me, I'm not happy. You know understand? For keeping food for ground, people go dey suffer. Me, I no like am. So, but as they explain to us, we have to obey. The problem we have now in this country is not for destroying property. How can we, the youth, become the president of this country tomorrow now? That be my problem. How can the youth become oga patapata today? That be my problem. Not to destroy property, not to scatter wetin we take our hand create. Our forefathers don't do and finish. The old cargoes when come on board again, destroy everything. We want scatter am with our hand. It's not good. It's not good. Hello, sir. Hello. 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 I'm hearing you, sir. Joker boy, no, ara, sir. Joker boy, no.
If they call you, put on here. If you don't hide that, you press here. You don't hide. You put on for the.
Well, you don't understand. Like Nigeria have already fighting the truth, and the youth have wake up. Don't let us use our hands spoil wetin we don plan. Don't let us use our hands scatter wetin we don arrange finish. Hello.
Hello, bro. Good morning, bro.
Good morning, brother. God bless you.
Hello.
I'm hearing you. Who am I speaking with? Meyebuet, I'm hearing you.
I'm a person.
Onegbori Aba.
No, that phone. That they talk so that COVID-19. Hello.
I'm hearing you. We are hearing you. Huh?
This guy say good.
I dey hear you. If you talk, just dey talk, we dey hear. If you no dey hear us, listen to us.
Comot your phone for voice speaker, because if they put their own for voice speaker, they no connect am. My brother, good morning to everybody wey dey watch us and every ear wey dey hear us too. We don tell una well and we dey see una too. Many text message dey come. We dey even dey let una dey know. So una too try for this protest but abeg wetin dey beg una be say make una not destroy government property. Make life dey okay for us we don even reason am, even see many letters dey come from many places. We dey even dey let them dey know about 10,000 signature don sign am say Nigerian government wan carry power give youth. Everybody dey watch us, dey see our character and our behaviour. I want make una make them know say intelligence to rule the country dey. Abeg make una no vandalize any property again na government property because na we be government. We wey be youth, na we be government. I dey tell you today, if dem tell a man of 70 years today say make una too run, you no go fit run pass you. Wetin we wan let una know be say make una calm down una mind, make una no destroy all those property wey we go take support ourselves tomorrow. Because if una destroy am finish, wetin we go take support ourselves? Money wey we go take invest make the country dey switch dey go, we come use am dey beat bank again, go dey beat. No, all these things na our father dey labour am. Our old fathers dem, grandfathers dem, na dem do am. Nobody these people wey just come chop enjoy you. They come enjoy now. People don go down, many things don happen before Nigeria stand today. But dem no come dey reason all those things because dem no be from Nigeria. They are not from Nigeria. Please, I want you mark this, may you mark am, get this memory, dey think am every day. If some place is good, if you like am, you go come tell people say make dem take una as one. Na im we take dem in na im our fathers take let dem in. If not, they are not from Nigeria. You dey see am. Una know wetin happen when Yaradua was the president of Nigeria before Goodluck Jonathan enter? Dem say dem no go allow happen again for Nigeria, say dem no want me to bring out the news again. Even everybody know dem say because if e happen 2 times e go make the world know say dem be slave. Oh Sukwebu, no Sukwebu, my brother. Yaradua see am, na Yaradua na him first see am, him first see this thing, he say na wow, no. See people wey get everything before he sign Naija at the time in SC because you know say na we get am. Second time again e come happen to them again, dem say no, because if e happen like that 2 times or 3 times, oh Sukwebu, I beg my brother, I wan use this time dey beg una. Una see as Edo today dem dey hear am Benin City, Edo City. Na something make am be city o. Na all those investors wey go dey come o. Our brothers dem wey go make money for abroad, Europe, dem go come invest for Nigeria, invest for our city o. Na im make am city. If dem destroy all those things finish, e don be village, my brother. We dey beg una. Una leave dem, una make development come because we don take over. See am now, e die our domot. We don talk am o. We don talk am. If you be above 50, not near there o, say make you carry money. Dem no go even sell phone give you. Dem no go sell give you. Dem no go sell give you say you dey save money abi. If you be above 50, comot hand for Nigerian government. Wait make the children when you born labour give you chop. Because of wetin their children make I tell you. Me and many of their children we don go school, book no dey, brain e no dey. Na im make dem dey want make dem labour for their even the unborn children, make dem no suffer at all, make dem no enter street.
They suffer pass.
My brother dey let you know. Check am now. Na we get handwork, we get brain, we know we fit do something. We have the creativity in us, but their children nothing because they have no experience on them. My brother abeg make una no destroy again, make una no destroy property. We don dey wait government now, many letters dey come. I dey tell una say 10,000 signatures don come, many places don come. Say yes o. Beg make dem that property o bros.
Talk about the food matter. People too like food. See this one say talk about the food matter. Na only food you like. You are not talking about the future infrastructure. You are talking about the food. Talk about the food matter. Odogun White. We will talk about the food. Let me tell you, food is very good. It nourish the cell. It make human be alright. It make you hijack. But we work towards food. Watch. Do you see any country wey no get reserve? America don reserve fuel for decades of years for ground now, and they don have fuel. China don reserve food stuff for decades of years, but they are not planting their technology. If we are talking about the good governor now, that as Oshomo power plant now never dey work, now you dey tell me now I go dey get joy. Or the gas river wey dem dey dig never reach Lagos for our goods to dey come direct to Benin, I go dey get joy. No be bad food. Nobody is hungry. We are not talking about stomach infrastructure at this present time. We are talking about development. Good governor. Good governor. Let them govern us well. Food no dey, water no dey, our road no good. See road right off. Talk about the road. Where you go, after you come out, you go see good road pass. That your fine car when you buy, you go see wetin take up. You no go spoil, gallop no go spoil am. I will be very happy. Now they feed us before. Since they know they feed us since all those days, we don't die for hungry. We dey go to scribe to go and manage wetin we go fit eat. Let's abolish that statement of food. Let's face the reality. If Obaseki come tomorrow and wetin he promise us he no do, na there you go know say whether we will be political saboteur or we be critics when they talk. or we be critics when no get una for mind. Now una make me dey happy.
Yes.
Not the government. Without you people, I have no level to. I have nowhere to go. No good education. See, my brother talking now. See, he said talk about education.
Yes.
If we are talking about education now, science and technology, they will put computer for school, free education.
Yes.
Me will be very happy.
Yes.
What is food?
They go do am.
Are you hungry? You know they soak garri, you go put groundnut, you go dey play. Later if you soak, you go eat am, you go belle full. Then we don't need that kind of food again. We want to feed ourselves with the resources the government is generating in the state, in the country. Those are the problem we need. Those are the problem we need to solve. Those are the problem we are crying for. That is why we say all these dictator leader, all those hula balo leaders, all those armed robbers leaders, all those thief leaders should go. If you are above 60, because Nigeria is 60, yes. You are above 60, you are not supposed to rule us.
At all.
Those are the problems we will be fighting for. So that when you come for house, your mind go rest.
Yes.
They're not going to disturb our children again. No road, no water, no electricity. Let's start from there. Okay, if we are destroying the little property when they still remain, if they come out.
Press the center.
Hello?
Hello.
Good morning, brother.
Good morning, sir.
The one who tell they wash me low and go down. The one who tell they wash me low and go down.
Okay.
Good morning. God bless you. What's your name?
Good morning, bro. It's me, Nico. I want to contribute, you know.
I'm hearing you, sir.
You know what? Not be everybody who can see your point of view or see your own opinion, because right now so many people are angry. But at the end of the day, you need to understand that in every country in Western world there are what we call reserves.
Yes.
Everywhere. Every government has reserves. All those reserves, some point, our father don't even have, because they suffer. We don't get reserve for children when they never born.
Yes.
You know, everybody gets reserve. Every government gets reserve. So right now, youth are angry. You know, everybody is angry because it's something over 50 years. You know,
yes.
At the time, what everybody see your point of view or see other point of view, see other presenters. Some are still angry, see their point of view. You understand? But some people when they say that they take that so that some people, some learned people for Nigeria, some people when they say that they take this learned for here, they see from a point of view, you know, at the time. But youth are angry now, you know.
I know.
It's not the time to, you know, everybody is angry.
I know.
We should still understand there is what we call reserve. Government get reserve. Not to say government will not get something that they will not share everything at once.
Yes.
Reserve.
Yes.
We should understand that people are angry.
I know.
We need to use wisdom. You know.
Oh, I tell you, that is why I'm clearing there now.
It's like not come become our own. Not come say now we come to fight ourselves. You know, we need to understand the youth are very angry now.
Yes.
That's what I want to contribute. But there is something more that must be reserved.
Yes.
In every state, in every country, there is reserved.
Thank you. Can I ask you one question, sir? Sir, can I ask you one question?
Yes,
sir,
yes.
Can I ask you one question? As far this thing happen now, are we going to use our hand to spoil what we have been planning?
They have already adjusted the protest, but at the end of the day, we should know that people are angry.
I know.
That's what I just see. They have already adjusted the protest. So right now, people are angry. You know, people are angry.
Yes.
So we should just use our initiative to, to put things in order. No, it's not for us to be, arguing on social media, insulting ourselves. It's not comfortable.
Are we going to destroy the sir? Are we going to destroy the property when the leader go, we will start from square one?
No. If you are caught destroying government property or destroying private property, you need to be arrested.
You have to go to jail.
You have to go to prison. Because that is not the part of the protest.
The protest is not, it's a free protest.
But the protest, we should understand one thing, the protest is already the agenda.
That is the president's table.
Anybody will see that is destroying people's property or government property, that person needs to be arrested and put to jail. They need to arrest that person.
Okay, brother. Destroying the bank, bombing the bank, looting another ordinary one-man business. Is it good? Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Destroying the bank, destroying another man's property. Is it good?
It's not good. It's not good. But that's what I just said. If you see like in Uromina, if you see anybody destroying any property or government property, that person needs to be arrested. That's how. But at the time, the youth are angry, you know.
I know very well.
Yeah.
Thank you. God bless you. I had what to say, sir. You see, you know what we are saying? We are not telling you the government is good. They failed woefully. They disgrace us. They even disgrace me. Me standing before you now, I go to jail for this truth. Me I suffer well for this protest, for this struggle. But we no go spoil wetin we take our hand do. Yes. Those people steal us, they disappoint us, they scatter us, they make us every year. Fella don't talk am. Hello, sir. God bless you, sir.
Hello.
God bless you, sir. Na Joker boy dey talk. Low and go down. Low that one say they watch me go down. Na Joker boy dey talk to you now. Na me. I dey line na you know they watch me. You low and go down. Low on whether they make where go work out or never tell. How far now? How life? You want to contribute?
Hello?
Make it be important to get
You know what is happening? Some people when they call, they will be watching what you are looking. They will not listen to what they want to say. So when you are watching us, you will know that thing when they watch am because you know say as you dey talk now you dey watch am, the echo go dey carry am. It's an echo. We call it echo. Okay, Amu, we had understanding. So we allow them at work is on where game and culture. Then evoke akawe o. People will be listening to you. We cannot spoil what we use our hand to create. Our forefathers failed woefully. They disappoint us. If you people want to help me now at this present time, at this time now when God don raise Nigeria go up.
Hello, Baba.
I'm hearing you now.
I think now.
God bless you, brother. Alpha, can you contribute of what I'm saying?
Yes. You are what you are saying is very right. You understand? Because this country is very useless right now.
Correct. I want to hear from you.
Yeah, we in diaspora, we are not happy with what we are saying because we are very pained. Because the government they are not doing anything to make life more better for us. Rather they are just making us more suffering. Because I'm really pained to see what is happening in Nigeria right now because many people have lost their lives.
Killing every day. We are hearing you, sir.
Yeah, many things are going we never planned. You understand? But even I had when made a very remarkable rubbish speech on how people in Pulpit were killed, and he never said anything like this. He was worried about it.
Yes.
Seriously, we in that.
Correct. You want to contribute about this matter?
I want to contribute now, but I say also you are a truthful person. If you see you online, we like to be talking to you.
Yeah. You know, till I die, we never talk lie.
But, you say?
Till I die, we never talk lie. I will say the truth.
Yes, but now that is how you want to just to be tough. You understand? You don't say you not be small PK again. So
At
we
all.
don't come back and say all the good dance when you be dance they come at last. You don't call you small one this dollar.
I can never do it in my life. Mary Bonibo.
Okay. If that one thing I want to tell you, you know say that country, we think they happen for that too. The truth what I would like to tell you is that before something they happen for that Nigeria, we were in Western world and we first to know.
Yes.
After the hardship here, we can never off our status.
At all.
You understand? So once the news they break, now we defend the here.
Yes.
Food matter so what happen for today. I want to make you remove your body. You get why they talk am. You understand? I don't want to use this food matter take off yourself.
But leave wait. Leave that matter. Kyle. Obiaba, Kyle. Eba you problem woman. Eba, all you problem woman. Our problem is government to be alright to take care of us. Food, Mamoda Kaloya. Government is same way by man. They have me everywhere else. Adek Begbea. So, man aluye. Ono wa when I know say. Ono wa me pe no ma ki kwofia. Let leave food matter first. We are righteous family. We have everything. It's ebanu we mu no re wo government ri go were joy. Oye by problem man. Ono ime any government wey no go driver comot. Ono ime onu ma kan.
You know if Obafemi dey do good dey come, only food matter so if you don't make people change back for am.
Yes, e good.
Because you dey wait. You know say yesterday you talk good talk you come say no everybody wait say Obafemi say address the nation before we start to dey talk.
Yes.
Say address the state before we start to dey talk. But as Obafemi say address that state yesterday, e really mean say Obafemi he lie for everybody yesterday because I don't believe say you watch am.
I watch am.
Because I watch your first video just now, go check it out. The actions of why I'm watching for Obafemi your video there.
May watch all.
Something like new one comes to the state. New one not come. Obafemi the one to it come. They don't share am. 7,000 the calculator of the sugar, indomie, only those ones to the rest for their way to lose. So you don't share everything. You don't say new one come again. Nothing like new one.
Na true you talk. Let me tell you one thing. Where the carry up. Country no one reservation area. Every man are revoking. I want reservation area. Country no one reservation area. Baby. Only reservation area ni oni no. O wa da e wo na mo resisi ni ya ge elenjo ne bayi. E wo da len e wo ri won ministry ni. Eki yetami government. So are gbono de ni ya aba gbe problem no se ma. Oye by problem wan. Oni me oni meta mara. That problem no se ma ono ime ma ki kwofia. Ma won by even name ayugbo. Awusaye jema da yugbo gbolo ma rebia ma ba to ni ma temo e ba na ku obeko wa e ba na ku obeko wa o problem ni ma mo ba temo na Jesus Christ Obi Aba. Hello? Well, is that the problem we have? What we have now, that any government, when they do bad, we chase them away. Any government when don't mean well for the state, we chase them away. In the federal, we will not burn in our property. We will seize their houses. Now that one me I want people to stand with. Yes. Let's move massively to Aso Rock. Our place when God bless for us. More than no come, more than give up finance. Let's go there and tell Jubrin, we don't have president in this country. But we tell him, when you are not talking about the president, you are talking about cheap trader. A good trader will steal our money, we not talk to them. Person when they steal small money, now they talk to. Let's say all the rich trader when they bring the goods come, when they give the other traders when they steal small. See our Osadebe Avenue, see our government avenue, see our everything avenue, see everything for Aso Rock, everything scatter. Now they talk those one. See what did they happen for the country now. We want to take small things spoil waiting we don't plan. We don't fight this fight now. God don't answer us. And God have already answered us, and we must follow the route. Why do we want to spoil waiting? We take our hand, great finish. Don't spoil property. That is my major aim of telling you. I'm not telling you Obaseki is good. I'm not telling you Nigeria is good. Don't spoil our property. Don't destroy the property of any state, any 36 state. Let's clamp the idiots, the armed robbers, the people that hijack the country. Let hold them ransom. Let put them behind bar. Let keep them. They will retrieve the whole money they give the white men to us. To our breaking warehouse, burning police station, burning bank, all my level. We are liquidating more. Our car yoko bagan aye do dokwen. They say foul no there. They still go buy credit. Destroying property, me I'm not a partake to that ministry. Growing the property is my ministry. Making the Africa grow is my brother. Making the youth grow is my friend. Making the world all right is my love. That is what I'm telling you people. That to be destroying property that we labor for, on the long run, people hijack it. They want to fight it, and we are giving them time for the property to destroy. It's not good. Oh man, it's a stackinage. It's an havoc. Man. Why I'm telling you the truth? People may abuse me for the truth. Truth shall set us free. When Fela was alive, when Fela they talk truth, they say he no correct. Say he don't smoke, it go finish. But when Fela die, they remember what Fela talk. Fela say, nobody destroy his own property. Because the day you destroy your own property, you have already liquidated. I was with him that day, 1987. I sit down with Fela. He say, today everything is fine, oh, but Nigeria is here, it's useless. But don't go and kill and fight and destroy property, because those are our future property. Yes. We need to destroy the leaders when they steal our money, when they scatter our land. We need to drive them away. That's what Fela tell me. I was very happy. Say, this man mean well for this land. That is the road I follow. And that is the road that we follow. That just like your house now when you dey sleep, if you put fire, where you go sleep tomorrow? One way where I'm wearing wako, so you repair your home. If your brother is bad, you drove him away. If your brother is bad in the village, one person commit a sacrilege, they excommunicate him away from the land. Yes, I can never lie because of Obaseki. Obaseki is not giving me millions. Obaseki is not paid me billions. Obaseki, I don't even, the only first time I've seen Obaseki is the time when Shomole arrest me. Since that time, I've never seen him. Me, Oriani Rio, Balen Oriani making. Right from time, you're supposed to know who I be. You're supposed to know which kind of man be this man. If I want to make money, you were never born, I would have been a millionaire. I started this race 1980 something. I'm from 82, I don't go to government. 1988, I go to prison for truth. And I'll be saying the truth. 1990, I go to prison. 2009, I was bombed. They bombed me, they scattered my ministry. They seized my motor, they make me replica of a starfish. But I still continue the truth. And I must be saying the truth. And truth must set me free. And truth is my blood. Truth is my brother. So don't always use some. Una remember, now una deceive this country. Good Lord Jonathan was a good man. Hey, Yaradua came on board. He was a good man. Mbaka come and lie for us. We all change. Now all of us be the crime holder. We need to forgive ourselves before we forgive the government. We drop Good Lord Jonathan away injustice. I was a partaker. Remember how we now? Because I see say at the way the government be fuel something like 80 something naira, rice 8,000 something. I say no, rice to the there. That way Babangida day rice na 1,300 for 50 kg. Then 750 naira for the other one. Let's change government. When we say native oil no go back groundnut oil. Now groundnut oil was passed as President Jubri come, artificial president. As he no do well, we no quickly act. So now so we go dey act. Any person wey no mean well for this country, we no go give am time. So if we are telling you what is happening, still believe us small. Because one day, all this thing when I dey talk, even though I die, una go still remember. I don join evil in my life. Me, I no dey any society as I stand before you now. I no dey Ogboni, I no dey Ogidiem, I no dey any cultist. I'm a righteous man. I'm the cultist of the youth, cultist of the righteous, cultist of the truth. Now I join. Emata. I can never join bad in my life. So don't let me be annoyed of people that I'm fighting for. I'm telling them the truth. They are deceiving me. My motive of telling you people, anything you see, let the truth be told. Let's follow the truth. Let everything be all right. Don't steal, don't destroy, don't scatter. Then do mass protest. See how it happen. Nigeria don't wake up. Clap for Nigeria. That is my joy. That is why I sit down now. That is what making me to be happy. But for looting the country, destroying the country resources, I'm not a partaker to that.
At all.
We know they.
At all. Better not do that one again.
I'm not say you people they make me dey annoyed. Let's watch. If Obaseki no do well, I come out with this my mouth, this my tongue. When God create heaven and earth, exceeding grace give me, take praise am. Na there una go call me bastard. Na there una go call say my head no correct. If he do bad, mouth when I take praise am. I don't fit tell una before now. I go still tell una the truth. But at this present time, there is an antagonist in the country. There is a calamity in the country. We cannot just use one to kill everybody. Now try to tell una. Let's wait till the youth wake up. And youth never even wake up. Now loot una dey loot now. Now destroy una dey destroy. Now no arrange the country. Una dey scatter the country. People are using people against you, the righteous family, in the youth section.
Yes.
The opposition government or the Aboki Postcode APC government are trying to impose laws to make sure say the revolution and mass protest we are doing will not work.
Yes.
They are busting everywhere, stealing, destroying our properties. we don't need to destroy. Oyibo dey happy say that they destroy our property. Oyibo dey happy say that they destroy our property. Oyibo no mean well for us. I dey tell you na my mind. The white man standing before you now is happy that Africa is a coward. Africa youth. Oh, Buhari, Jubril tell us say, Jubril, you don't know what Jubril tell us? He say we are lazy youth, and we are doing the lazy youth ministry now, stealing something. Yes, we don't need APC, we don't need PDP. I don't have dispute about that. But let's fight the righteous fight so that they're not going to kill us. They're not going to shoot us like cow. No, you shoot us like donkey. We need to fight this fight. If we are looting now, they will call us. You know, see and say they'll be hungry people.
Yes.
The international community will say we'll be hungry people.
Because everybody, the whole world, they watch.
The whole world they watch us. So let's fight for our right. That is my major problem. I better tell them. Let them know what is happening. We don't need casualty.
My brother and my sisters, the youth of Nigeria, the youth of Edo State,
Hello, Africa.
the youth of Africa, the giant of Africa. I'm very happy on this platform, having a good time with you people, telling you on the way forward, the platform that we have, the new development we have in this country. My dear brothers and sisters, March 6, I'm so happy being with you people today. I wan let una know wetin dey give me joy o. Wetin dey give me joy be say we don receive so many tests. Make una dey send tests. We don receive so many tests, and they still dey let people dey know say make una no let anybody deceive una o. Make una forget about this food matter, wetin dem dey chop now. Make we fight about this future. Make wetin we plan before we start this protest make e come to pass. If e come to pass, I go dey happy. Even my children when I go born go dey happy say we the youth we fight for wetin dem want. I wan let una know now. Person no go dey run for im community o. Person no go dey run for im state. I dey tell una, our brothers, our sisters, many people don go Europe, abroad go invest because of peace no dey. Nigerian government no dey try. Wetin we dey pray be say make this fight when we start, this protest when we start, we need somebody that is not above 50 wey dem go handle this government give. Our forefathers na we get am o. All these new people, all these people wey come say dem come claim say dem be Nigeria, no be dem get Nigeria o. Make una no follow dem destroy our property. Make we see where we go take start. We dey tell una the whole world dey watch everybody o. Anything wey you go do go make dem dey look wetin you go fit do for future. The country today no need who go promote war. War dey fear the country. If you do anything say you dey promote war, the country no go like am. But if this protest, if we do am maturely, say government no call us, say with 5 things wey we tell dem, dem no put mouth for us, and Aso Rock we go march go there. Me, I no dey fear death. You no dey fear death because people don die too wey make development wey Nigeria dey like this. Muna let the government know.
Mommy wan talk. Our mother wan talk.
Okay.
Mommy, what am I ebe sunu?
Okay. Hello.
I'm hearing you, ma. Me ebe what am?
Everybody hear me there.
Yeah.
So youth, everybody is watching. I know who carry one. No somebody say where one can. What understand you? It's very painful when they. Everyone here we go there. We need people that no everyone in Nigeria. What understand? Everyone that will not go here won't buy one. You will go for it. But we want the freedom. And whatever they buy, you people, Mama, the next thing I'm not like somebody just use money, 1,000, 2,000. Now they don't disturb Mama to be secure. This thing is someone not secure. But I don't want you. The next thing, everything I do there, everyone take their responsibility. Police station Agbohola, bank Agbohola, everything has the shop of concerned government. Who is the government? I like government. You like the government. You people are the government. You are fighting for your rights. But now, everyone why is strong.
Eri aya kiri afo nya makido aloya. Ma aloya nya ono ye fari wo. But I hear that Guru 5, I didn't one way there.
Oh. I didn't say that it's possible. They are not big brother. Ana ya go ki areba. Ana keep the boy heart in liver. Ana de la wake up. Ana ya liver. It's your problem.
Food is not our problem.
What is your problem now? If food is your problem, they really open warehouse for now. Hey, that's why government do this one. Who told me with the spaghetti with the right? That's not a problem.
Mommy,
I'm going to 50 years now. My children are among the roots. I'm only fighting for my grandchildren and my own children.
yes.
But if food is your problem, they open warehouse to distract you now enter that you carry. Every time government open at the one and go carry for my son and all the carry. That's not a problem.
Food is not our problem in this country. We need infrastructure, we need good road, we need electricity, we need company, we need good education.
What is the food?
We dey eat. Our fathers know, our father na farmer.
Use food to distract you now. They use food to distract you. They really enter, carry people to show. And man, you are sorry. It's a pity.
Mommy, na opposition party dey plan all these things. They want to destroy everybody. They are saying like me, I no dey. I no dey that kind matter. I no be that kind man when they join bad. I no dey turn black to white. Na white I be. So no black mega. Me yi sobo Mary Wogboni mafia making. Jesus Christ mega. Meba oge Mohammed mega. I want to go so no black America when now. Oda no ria sorry me like ko. Obo making obo no seven mere him wo. You be thief now. You want go to break what they don't give you. All you working now. Bank commit crime when you go break bank.
Are you better than all those people? If they like when they hear me, that when they talk, I'm 50 years old over. That is talking now. Are you not a thief? They give it to you.
Any person when go break where as na thief. It's a proud. I'm telling you people the truth. If una like make una listen, if una like make una no listen, me no dey talk lie. Make una leave those food, make una let fight for our rights.
Okay, food is there, food we agree. Okay, somebody want to make the life so somebody come and take water, come and line up, come and begin to take food.
And then only then they break am. Those one armed robbers now. It's breaking an entry. It's a capital offense.
Let's say the truth. Let's say the truth.
As I walk with society, you
That's
want
how it is.
wait till you get to tell those people when they break now.
That's why they say, I'm not saying better for the government.
We don't know that they thief machine that they go to bomb people house. Why would I not seize all those things? Make everybody they enjoy them. International community go say we dey hungry.
Huh? It's bad.
No be hungry be our problem.
No.
Our problem is that the government is not working well.
Yes.
Okay, I just said so. Hey, I want to say so. That's when a lot of people are billion. Now, show me and spaghetti that will cost you. Government not the get reserve. For their house, they're not the get reserve for their house.
About in the modern world, we dey see reserve. They no say that, okay for us. If you cook rice, you go cook beans. You go chop all of the finish. If hungry come tomorrow, where are they? Mommy, thank you. We don't hear you. Mommy, thank you. Mommy, I want to ask you one question. I want to ask you one question, Mommy. I want to ask you one question. In this life, you don't ever see any person when e dey do good, people go dey beat and join am.
No.
But they are beating the truth. When you are saying the truth, people does not like it.
No, they don't like to. Anybody, okay, we say that if someone or someone like that, I want to put the house or someone else. I got someone that come and money when I will pay, so I'm not paying that one and they don't pay me money. If we every people come the enter and that when I process the right to survive, when I attention, when I really force.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, ma. God bless you, ma. We hear you. So now, so it's supposed to be. You hear wetin that woman talk? You see, food is not our problem at this present. I say with them when they did there's diaspora, say that they see reserve food, that they see reserve government reservation area. No say na food now na just like say Obaseki wicked. I'm not telling you Obaseki is perfect. Me sef no perfect when they tell you the truth now. Me sef I'm no perfect. You no perfect, but what we are fighting for is truth and let emancipation of black race reign. Let the youth come on board. If na that one they tell me now say youth must reign, I go get joy. 30-something years old boy go dey rule this country. We when dey diaspora will come house, I'll get joy. Not talk about food. Are you hungry? Is hungry your problem? Do you see light? If you get light, you no go hungry again. If you get good road, your motor no go spoil. Money wey dey repair your motor, e go reach you take eat. If you get fuel, cheap article, your motor go dey move smoothly. Your generator go dey move. How much for bag of rice?
35,000.
Government are putting almost 45,000. I talking about 35,000.
Yeah, 45,000.
Then on the long run, let's eradicate all these things than to be stealing, breaking everywhere, going to bank, going to police. As police we don't end them. End SARS is the first protest. From there, end the bad government. Let's start there. Then when we start there, they will now know that yes, we really need. Okay, wait. This protest what we did now warehouse food. Now everybody dash people. Do you know how many cow, good Samaritan they bring come for where people they do protest? Then they bring come, bring rice, bring beans, bring everything. Now government bring that food. Now warehouse food. Now warehouse food. Now with the chops all those days. Are we going to just use one to spoil everything? Let's fight for our rights. Let's fight for emancipation of black race. We cannot allow people to hijack what God has planned for us. Yes. To use it to spoil the good thing when the youth don't start. I tell God beg in Jesus' name. Any human being, any person that want to destroy this protest, that did not want Nigeria to grow, Holy Ghost fire. If I dare among, say I don't want this country to grow, may my life never remain the same in Jesus' name. I want this country to grow. I want the youth to reign. That is what I'll be fighting for. We cannot use our hand to spoil what we plant. And we have already planted. It's germinating. We are reaping already any time from now. Before this month ending, God will intervene in this matter. And when God intervene, the youth will reign. The youth cannot use their hand to spoil what they have planted. And who are the youth of Africa and the number one Africa, the giant of the whole Africa, have realized their mistake, have standed by their feet. And nobody should use another corny way or back door, corridor back door to come to destroy this ministry. God Almighty, God bless you, God. God bless you. God bless you, God. You will be fighting this fight, and this fight has answer. God, you will be fighting for us. Youth are suffering. Youth are dying. Youth are tormenting. They are intimidating us. They are calling us all sort of name. And now you have started the race with us. Don't let us go back again. Let's fight. Too much time now. Nigerian government will answer us. Just what before this month ending.
Yes.
They will answer us.
Yes.
Don't let them call us looter.
Yes.
Don't let us call us coward. Don't let us call us thieves.
Yes.
We are not thieves.
They are watching.
The whole world are watching us. They will say, you see them, now hungry they do, now they go to break this one, they do that, so the thief machine, they do all this one, they burn police station, they burn bank, they do all this thing. Those are not our problem. Our problem is to drive the devil away from the land.
Yes.
The Lucifer must quit. The Lucifer must go. All those old cargoes must go. Let's go. Let's start the race tomorrow. The military will follow us. They are even tired. The police will follow us because they are not even enjoying. Let's go to Aso Rock. Let's go to Aso Rock. Let's go to our own power. Let's drive those idiots away. That is our problem. Not by food with Jabrata. You will bring food, I will bring food. Hello?
Yeah,
God bless you, brother.
yeah, man. I'm watching you guys, man. Good talk.
Good morning. Who am I speaking with, sir?
I'm speaking with Sheldon.
Okay, God bless you. Don't have one love.
I greet you, bro.
Respect. Can you contribute?
Yes. Hey, like boy.
This is our boy. Now you dey talk to you. Now your brother dey talk to you.
Okay.
One love.
The truth is
Nigeria.
the protest was actually peaceful initially,
Yes.
but it's so unfortunate that it was hijacked.
I know.
But one thing I want to say here is this. In as much as we are blaming Buhari, which is the Oga Patapata on them all,
Yeah.
we should start from home.
Yes.
We should start from home, the local government to the state governor,
Yes.
from councillor to the local government chairman,
Yes.
to the state governor,
House of Assembly.
to the house of
Rep.
Rep
Senate.
and Senate. So what we are saying is this: when as our local government chairman or governor come out and say they have not received allocation from the national president,
Yes.
so they actually receive allocation every month.
Wholeheartedly.
Fine. So if they cannot implement it,
Hello, I'm hearing you.
let the problem is actually from the home.
Yeah. I'm hearing you, sir.
Do you understand? So the country is actually in God's hands. That is what we pray.
Yeah.
But I want to use this medium to beg our youth, our great youth. Please, we know ourselves. We have always been peaceful. Let's continue to be peaceful. God will come to our aid.
Amen.
So anybody that is advising other youth, let's hijack this. Let's keep on destroying what has been built. That is not the solution.
We are not a partaker to that.
Yes, the whole world is watching, and I hope one day things will turn around for good.
Amen. Everything
Thank you
will
very
turn.
much, Aboy. Thank you.
God bless you, sir.
I enjoy what you are doing. God will bless you.
God bless you, sir. You see, we cannot destroy what we use our hand to create. And these people that stole us, these people that they disorganize our plan. You see, our brothers say we have to start from home. Even the local government chairman, they are 40. But what we will do? We will not use casualty. We will go there massively and tell them, leave our home alone. That this all belongs to us. We are the one that put you there. Than to be burning our property, destroying the property. Property when we go meet. It be like man. Let me give you one example. A man build a house. And that man build, yes, correct. DJ Morris Obani say, God bless that color.
Yes.
Then a man build a house. After he build the house finish now, he see a pikin, they no good. He carry petrol, he put fire, burn the house. Where that man go sleep, or where they go bury that man. So we will not burn our property.
At all.
We will not be blaming ourselves. Let's blame the people that destroy the land. Let's fight for our right. Don't burn the property that belongs to us.
Yes.
The police station you are looking so. The police don't be get am. It is my property.
Yes. Now your property.
Yeah, see what this man said? The police station that burn, when you go bomb, na me get am. Those are my future property. The warehouse when you go dey loot, no me get am. Those are my future property. The bank when you go break, na me get am. Those are my future property. If we continue destroying all this property, if we continue scattering all this property, after the war, where do we stay? Go and check where they fight. When the Biafra, the federal government war and Biafra fight, when they off, Nigeria did not remain the same. The white man instigated. They are still paying money now. They are even bringing money for the toss, and because of our useless leader, they are giving them money now to cause calamity to Nigeria so that they will come and seize our land. Let's do sweet protest. Let's enjoy this peaceful protest. Let's sit down in one corner. Let's be jubilating. Bring out the acrobatic. Bring out a musician. Bring out a DJ. Don't fight. Hold Nigeria flag. Tell them we are sick and tired of our old cargoes. Don't break down. People will bring food for you. What did they warehouse? When one person get that money, all those warehouse when you dey talk so that only one single person in their backyard when they cry say you no see where he spend the money. e go bring food for you, e go bring cow, e go bring meat. That will be causing violence. They say, don't see them, they are violent people.
Yes.
They will describe people like a hoodlums.
Yeah, the whole world they look you to make them know as they will feel.
The whole world are watching you people. That who you are, who are you? I better tell them, my brother. I better tell them.
Yeah, my brother, I wan let una know too the information when I don get to concerning wetin Queen Elizabeth talk last night. Wetin dey happen for Nigeria, the whole world dey put eyes o. Abeg my youth, abeg my masses, people wey dey fight for the peaceful of this country, people wey too don support to through protest to many life don go. Those spirit of those lives wey don go today, make I tell una, dem dey vex o. So make una no dey break any Nigerian property, because if we take over today, say our purpose of doing this protest say e come to pass, we go enjoy now. We dey use this opportunity. I advise them, say the Queen of Elizabeth don talk am today too, say anybody that is above 50 make e no collect form o for this 2023 o. Dem say dem don carry government take give you to abeg make una no destroy the properties dem wey we go take over. Una hear? Una don see am o, say na 3 weeks sef we still dey tell the federal government, see if dem no put mouth, we dey come out for protest again o. And if we come out for this one again, no movement o, nobody, dem no go go anywhere. Abeg o, we dey tell una o. I no know who go come out o. As una dey like this, una dey watch the youth of the world today, the youth of Nigeria. I no know who wan come out, who dey need to come out, but we go come out with one mind. With one mind, make we tell them say the seat wey dem no fit maintain, we fit maintain am. Our forefathers na im fight this fight for us o. Dem just come dey chop our property, make us know say dem be our brother and dem no be our brother. Una no see say God don yab dem. Make abeg, wetin make me dey beg you to well be say I know say na una be the power. If una talk say Nigeria go come down today, Nigeria go come down. All the youth na general una be. If una talk say Nigeria go come down, e go come down, but we no need am like that. We no need am like that o. We no need am like that, because you see wetin make dem no wan make dem comot for seat. Dem know say their children no get wetin dem fit offer this government. Na me dey tell you, their children no get anything to offer the government. Abeg, make the vision of this country go on o. Many brothers don dey come, many text message dey come. People, our brothers dem wey don leave this country run go Europe, many dey call say dem want make dem come back home. Say dem want make dem come back home. My brother, abeg, dem wan come invest o. Make una no destroy again. I dey beg una, make una no destroy again. Make this government favour us. Una hear wetin I dey tell una now, because na the favour of this country we want to. Within that 3 weeks, and dem no come call us make we know. Make dem know say everywhere fit gbolo, because we go come Aso Rock. Dem go let us know say see and we don agree for wetin una talk. Make dem give us the opportunity to. Na person fight for the democracy o. Abi na dem fight for the democracy. Na person fight for democracy. Na person fight am. General Busalami Abubakar, when dem no say as he do, dem no say as things dey go well. Monitola Mohammed, when Monitola Mohammed rule, my mama dey tell us say in those days for village dem dey share salt, dey come there, dey share Monitola Mohammed plate, dey reach there. Me be say government reach everybody. Today all of them dey enjoy everything for Abuja, Aso Rock, dey make everything make dem dey okay. We no need them again. Government don change. Dem know, even dem know. Senator dey fear, everybody dey fear. Vice dey fear, because he know say na audio vice him be. Audio. I dey tell everybody, the protest wey wan come out again, make e dey peaceful. Una hear? Make government hear us.
God bless you people. Make una no fight again. We no need quarrel. No quarrel. I take God beg una. Let's start from somewhere. Let God Almighty answer our prayer. If we use casualty now, God does not like anywhere when violence dey. We know they write it in the Bible, violence taketh it by force. But we will not use violence on this one. Let's take it by peace, so that we will not be like Libya, we will not be like Somalia, we will not be like Afghanistan. If property spoil, you know they easy to repair. When you are building, you build small. when you destroy, hard to build again. That is the major problem that making me to talk to you people. I'm not telling you people that you are not good, you are bad. I'm not telling the youth they are bad. The youth, you people are very right.
Yes.
For what people are doing, but let's do it with brain, so that we will still have what we will run to go and meet after the devils have left us, after the old cargoes have left us, after the juntas, the hypocrites, the Egyptians, the Philippines left us. So the Israelites and the Jerusalem will move forward. If you watch Moses, when Moses were begging Pharaoh, let my people go, he no use casualty. Pharaoh bring a snake, bring everything. He were using God's wisdom. Then when they use force on the Israelite people, they all perish. So if to say Moses used force, that ministry when God send her for no work, or used by violence for no work. I beg you, I want to rest my case now. In the evening we can talk. We will still be talking. I will still stand by the masses, and I'm working with the masses. Yes. I can never deviate myself away from the truth. I started it when I was a tender age. I was born on it, imbued, not artificial. I did not meet it in the road. God gave me the wisdom to say the truth. I have been receiving police brutality. It is now you are receiving police brutality. When I was a tender age, I have been receiving police brutality. When I start my ministry, when I dey yab government, I don dey suffer. They never dey see yahoo boy. They never dey see guy man. Na party they dey see. Me, I dey play music, they will carry me go prison. So at this present time, we don already know say police sef don fear. If you watch the time when I take start this matter, police don hands up. The military hands up.
And they support all.
They support all of us. The only problem we have now for that Lekki killing is a war crime. Those people must brought on board.
Yes.
But for you to go and be breaking prison, breaking police station, breaking stores, looting, I'm not a partaking to that. We are not the most people that is hungry in Africa.
Yes.
If you go to some Africa country, you will hate yourself. And we are the giant of Africa, and we're supposed to fight for the rest Africa to know that a giant of Africa don't wake up. Let's wake up in a good form. Let's wake up in a righteous form. Let's wake up so that people will respect us. Say yes, Nigeria don't wake up. That is the best we will do, and we will conquer. We must conquer in Jesus' name, and we must conquer, and we have already conquered. May we not take small yet to spoil our hand. May we not let them call us coward. May we not let them call us say we are stomach infrastructure. We need development. We need education. We need good road. We need electricity. We need job opportunity. We want teachers to be paying well. We want the lecturers to be paying well. Yes. We want the civil servant to be paying well. We want everybody to come home and invest.
Education.
Free education.
For the children.
Then children will be happy.
Yes.
We will grow. That is what we are fighting for now. Good road. We need good amenities. Nobody will fight for. Not to the loot, not to the bonbon, not to the destroy property, not to the scatter the land. That is not the problem. The problem is to chase them away from Sadebe, from our Aso Rock in Abuja. Let's go. I will follow you. You will follow me. We will not hold gun. We will not hold cutlass. They cannot kill all of us at the same time. The stone will rise. We reach there, we march there. The police will even help us to remove them away from there. The soldier will help us to remove them away from there. We will chase them out. We keep them home. They will bring out our money. We will use it to construct our land. This is a fertile land. Nothing one will not get for this land. Now they tell you now. I think God beg you now. Let us be sincere in what we are doing. Don't let them call us a coward. Don't let the white man call us a black monkey again. So you don't see black monkey. That is what they did Muammar Gaddafi. Muammar Gaddafi was a righteous man. He came, some of his brothers betrayed him. The hoodlums scattered the land. They killed him injustice. Today they are suffering. And now, our Oga when they rule us late Jubrin, no say Buhari don't die. He know they are alive. you know, me know, we all know. Now imposter. All those people went talk that lie. Now we go rampage. Those people went join them, commit crime against our brothers. Now we go rampage. Yes, it's not the protester that break the prison.
Yes.
The government talks.
Yes.
No, Siam.
Yes.
It's not the real protester.
No, now.
So now, why can't
I get time go break something?
Why we come give the time now?
Yeah.
Make them come spoil the country for us.
Spoil the country for us.
Young said Dixon.
Yes.
You are very right.
You are very right.
How can we give the time now? Then we are not trying to join them.
Join them.
They
no,
are not planning.
we are not part of them.
They are planning now to say now we join them.
Yeah.
Say now the real protesters. Now they break warehouse.
No.
Now the real protester. Now they break prison.
No.
Now the real protester. Now go they bomb our port authority. That port authority when they bomb so you know how much they take repair am. Why can't we say guide it and drive the whole workers, all the whole custom away, and we generation boys go stay there.
Take over.
Then we are burning property. I'm not a particular.
I beg. Na that one with the beg una.
God in heaven no say me I no dey.
Na that one with the beg una. Make we do this thing, make they hear us.
Spoiling my property that they stole from us, the little one wey remain. Say una dey spoil am, me go join una. I no dey. God in heaven no say me I no dey that kind ministry. We will go like that thing now. When they do protest for room, when I say boys they enter police station, I tell them say don't burn this police station, don't put fire, don't try it. What do we do? Just tell the policemen that they should not be arresting our brothers again. I tell policemen don't fire anybody because these people now, some people there when they come from different local states, come one cause problem, make them say now the people when they my village now they do am. And whereas not be the people when they my village, if you watch that day now, those people when they protest, we don't even know some. And we are protesting peacefully, they are causing casualty. We don't need those kind of people with their miscreants. We don't need those kind of people in this protest. And the protest will never end. Don't fear. We will still continue. We will do mass protest, never reach 3 days to on the 30 days. We will do mass protest all over Nigeria. This protest will be genuine protest. The police will follow us in the back. The military will follow us in the back. We will drive down to Aso Rock. We will see our president. Hey, Mr. President, come out massive, not audio president, not television president, no AIT president, no channel president. He go come back, all of us go stand. We go ask him, say, Mr. Malivie, we don't need you again. Get out away from this Aso Rock. This Aso Rock were built by a man. Babangida na build am.
Yes,
since you come now, wetin you don build?
Wetin you don build?
Although Babangida don weak, we know wetin you don build, Buhari. Mr. Buhari, get out away from here. Mr. Jubril, we know our president. It's an audio president. It's true. Everybody know. The Kaban know. The Kaban just dey take paper dey cover am. And those Kaban na go suffer am. Oshomole tell us say if the driver comot for national chairman say him go confess. This guy from Imo State, where they call that guy, that former governor of Imo State, Rochas Okorocha, say if they come up power for him brother, say him go tell us the truth. They don't tell us the truth.
Yes.
Jabagando, even Obasanjo don't tell us the truth. The Kaban hijacked this country because they are fearing the Hausa.
Yes.
They are fearing the Hausa people.
You don't me happen second time.
So now we will go there. The president will come back. Have you ever seen president one day stand before you and address Nigeria where people say now your president will get? It's not a president of this nation. Kanu don't talk am. He came by one. They don't talk am. Nobody believe them. We don't already know. The sister of the wife don't talk am. The wife don't say they don't hijack am. Everybody know, but the Kaban no one gree because they wait say after that dead body don dey near they go say he don die, may another Hausa man come or the Yorubas come, and the Yorubas are the problem of this country. The Yorubas are the major problem, which is the Jabagan. Yes. He boast now. Tinubu boast yesterday now. Tinubu supposed to be cast out. You know boast when he boast, he say he no run, say na be Jabagan of Lagos State. Then still see mountain dey talk. Then you go bomb the hotel, you go bomb Tinubu house.
No,
we no go bomb the house.
We no go bomb the house.
We go bomb Tinubu. We go bomb Tinubu. We go bomb the children. Instead of us to bomb that house, we go use that house for technology. We go use that house for computer house. Children go to go school for there for free. all those van money wey keep for there go share am for all the whole 36 states. Dem go take start life. That to go put fire, that to go dey bomb something, e no good. That is my motive of fighting and telling you that we don suppose to destroy wetin we take our hand create, because na we get am, no be dem get am. They have deceived us enough, they have told us enough, and this is the time. If we meet this opportunity, well, if we meet this opportunity wey God just give us now, if we meet this opportunity wey God just give us, we go suffer, and we go dey suffer, dem go come get power. Don't let them call us a coward. All those thoughts when they bring come, they pay them money from different African country, come they destroy us, we go dey rampage them. If na those thoughts na the whole now, like that motor when come Abuja that day when they come, when I feel hold that motor now, you can kill one, you kill two, you kill three. If you dey kill four, another person will come out and hold you. Your bullet go finish now. They will not know. If na those one are the fight now, than to be burning access, government access.
And you are the government.
And you are the government.
You are the government because they are looking on you tomorrow.
Then if you are burning government access, I'm not a partaking to that. Destroying government access, like as they go destroy this idiot, useless Reverend Father Mbaka. I'm happy. I did. Because that man is a bastard. Mbaka is a thief. Mbaka deceive us. Yes. They're not supposed to even burn that place. They're supposed to drive Mbaka come out.
Mbaka come out.
Then that place, that direction, they'll take and do school. The children will go school for there. We go they take care of our children for there. Like that Mbaka are not supposed to be cast out.
But this part of Buhari can deceive us from good.
I know they too do. If they too do, can we be spoiling our property? Let's spoil the people when to do. Let's destroy the people when to do. Not the property when we go smith. Take out join the one we want plan again. 20 I have a vision. I have seen that tomorrow small pikin will rule us.
Yes. Tell them again.
Small pikin they come to rule us.
2023. Oh.
I have a vision. It is not even 2023. Anytime from now, ACAT is coming. Computer wizard is coming to construct Nigeria. Yes. Because Nigeria have realized their mistake. Yes. We will never miss it. If you miss it, are you short? If you miss this scenario, this time, the predicament that they have caused on us, we have break the yoke. The word don't if sign. You allow us to gather the yoke again and give them, now on a short.
The word don't sign.
I have a vision. I have a vision that anytime from now, a young boy will be a president of this country. I have a vision. In the world. I have a vision. If they do not allow young boy to rule, this Nigeria will be demarcated. It will be shared into 4. Yes. I have a vision that the youth must keep calm. Yes. Mommy, cool down. You see that boy? That boy when say mommy, cool down. Now him break Nigeria yoke. Una no know. That boy can be a minister one day of this country. Can be a governor one day, can be a president. He say, mommy, cool down. Anything I do, you forgive me. Let me tell you truth. So that is a vision that breaks this yoke of the leader of this country. You people may not know. And that boy is a seed of this country. He has planted the seed of this country. So let us cool down and fight this fight with truth, not by bitterness, not by looting, not by destroying, not by killing, not by scattering the properties. Because this property belongs to us. The little one they still remain. Now one scatter and finish.
No scatter.
But me see no carry, but did small one way remain regarding. No spoiler. I take God beg now. Now cassette I play for na soul. One love, respect, no go rest. Because we wake up this morning, we were very brutal. When the lion is angry, tougher than the iron. Only the wise understand. I rest my case.